Okay, so I got back to this subway creatures thing. Just look at this. Ignore this. Look at this Instagram pic. It says, pitbull attacks woman on subway. And you know my voice is not really well. I'm pretty sick, but check this out. Viewer discretion is advised. Who bought this? Who do you think that this pitbull would be in a subway is a good thing? Seriously. You know, I only think about like service dogs and some stuff. Not pitbulls, seriously. I know they're cute, nice, good dogs, but this is really dangerous for everyone else. Even on public transit. Oh my god. Only in New York. That people buy one a woman's shoe. In a sweatshirt.
Oh, he's wildin', bro.
Right. See how long it took you to do that? You did that shit. Yeah. And now you just assaulted me with that.
Okay, you know what? Why was that? That was me. You can't bring a damn pitbull or like a non-service dog to a subway. This is really the stupidest thing I've ever seen on a subway. So, like, share, subscribe to Jeff92. Bye.